To use our mobile app, you have to first download the Wash House mobile app. It is the logo with the TWH app on it. You'll go ahead and open, and if you already have an account with us, you'll just put in the phone number that is registered to your Wash card. You'll select Next, and it'll ask you to put in the unique 6-digit code. We will text this code to you, and you will insert it here. And then it will take you into your app. And we will next show you how to use the Wash House app if you've never had an account before. So here you'll open up the app and select Create New Account. Here you'll put in your first name, your last name, your phone number, and your zip code. It'll also send you a unique 6-digit code to insert here to verify that it is you. You now have an account. So once you are in the app, it'll take you to the main page where it shows you your name and your current balance. You can then select the money icon at the bottom to add funds. This is where you can add 15, 20, 30, 50, or even a custom amount. So it can be $75, it can be $90, whatever amount that you need. Once you're ready to add funds, you'll select Continue. This will prompt you to add in your contact information, card information, and your billing address. You can then save the card for future Wash House payments, or you can decide to opt out. Then on the list icon on the bottom, you can find your transaction history. This will show how much money you have added, any machines you've used, such as washers, dryers, or even the vending machines. Then on the settings icon, you can find your account info, which is where you'll find your first name, last name, and your zip code. So if you need to update, you can update it here. You also have an English option or an option in Espanol. You'll also find a Contact Us page where you'll find our website and our phone number. That way you can easily contact us if you ever need assistance. You also have the logout button if you need to log out. And then there's a question mark at the very bottom where if you click it, it'll show you where to scan your QR code to start a machine, check your current balance, add funds to your account, transaction history, your settings, and of course if you need to show help again. To start a washer, a dryer, or get something from the vending machine, you need funds in your account. So once you have enough funds in your account, you select the camera on the bottom left corner. This will prompt you to scan the QR code on the machine that you want to use. It should be quick and easy, just like that, and it'll tell you your remaining balance at the bottom. Once it's scanned, you can go ahead and start your machine. And that is how you use the Wash House mobile app.